channel, or hello if you are new. I am Mohini and I make travel vlogs, and today I am in Nepal. So it was a very long journey from Chandigarh to Nepal. We went to Delhi and then came here. I'm gonna take you one day back and bring you here. It's around 5 right now in the evening and it's Saturday today, and we have our flight at 7:30 tomorrow morning, that is Sunday morning. So we have left from Chandigarh and now we are going to Delhi to catch a flight in the cab. So I'll see you guys in Delhi. We are stopped here for having dinner, and now after having dinner we'll go to Delhi and we have our hotel booked there. We're gonna sleep for 4 hours and then take our flight to Nepal. Yay! Yay! I cheer! So after a journey of 7 long hours, we have reached Delhi and we are staying in a hotel. I don't know the name. It's just near the airport. We have to sleep here for just like 2-3 hours, get a little fresh and then head to the airport. There's nothing fancy about this room, just a normal room. And so we're just gonna stay for like 2-3 hours and then head to airport. One cab is here, one is coming on the way, so we leave. So after the security check-in, we had our coffee, and that's some coffee bean. I'm so happy. And now we're gonna board. Having South Indian in Air India. So we have landed in Nepal and now we're going to our hotel. So here we enter, and it's a normal cute room with 2 beds. One is for my grandma and one's for me, and we have a view of the Nepal city. So now, as you have seen, we have reached Nepal and the hotel I'm living in is a Royal Signy, and it's quite a nice hotel and the view is also good. And now I'm all ready. We are heading out for lunch and I'm gonna take you along all the places we go to, and we are going to 2 temples today also, so I'll keep you updated. See you! So we are ready to roll the day. So we are now here to have lunch, and this place is quite beautiful, and we are gonna have thakali dishes here. This is Nilgiri Thakali Delights. So let's see what they have for us. So now we are having their authentic dish known as Thakali, and it has some rice, some aloo, curd and some pickles and I don't know what, but this looks nice. So after having that amazing and filling lunch, it was so heavy, and the place we are now at is Dholeshwar temple. It was like around 1 hour drive and everybody slept in the van. We are hiking up to the Dholeshwar temple. It's quite a hike. Let's go! So now as we have visited the temple, now Prashant will tell us कि यहाँ की क्या महानता है।
जिन्होंने केदारनाथ जी का नाम सुना है, बेसिकली एक राक्षस थे भगवान शिव जी ने उनको वरदान दिया था कि वो जिनके सर के ऊपर हाथ रखेंगे वो भस्म हो जाएगा। तो ही ट्राइड द सेम थिंग ऑन शिवजी जी एंड शिवजी जी ने उनसे बचने के लिए एक भैंसे का रूप लिया एंड वो उनसे बचते बचाते केदारनाथ जो मंदिर बना है उसके बीच में से निकलने लगे थे, मतलब उस जगह से पर्टिकुलरली। और जो धर था वो केदारनाथ में है और जो भैंसे बने थे, जो उनका सर था, वो यहाँ इस मंदिर में है।
So that's quite a history. Having this. What is this, Papa?
This is Nepalese donut at Doleshwar Nath Mandir.
Okay. So, this is quite tasty. It's made up of rice. After that, now we are going to Bhaktapur. That is a living place where king lived once. We have paid around 500 Nepalese rupees for the entry ticket per person. So let's see if it's worth it or not. The city is 3,000 years old. That necklace which I was wearing was quite heavy, so I just bought a new scarf. This was, she said, for 180 Nepalese currency, and yeah, so I got it for 100 rupees. That is 160 of Nepalese currency, so not much of a bargain, but yeah, in 100 rupees what do you get more than this? This is a well here. Bhaiya, ye peene wala pani hai? Oh, so they quite use this well. Nice. They even have pure Nepali tea. This is cinnamon mixed tea, and there's so many flavors. Thank you. The city is very oldly built and has such intricate pieces. So this is Cafe de Peacock, and this is a building, and this is the temple here. This is the center part of the market. I'm standing in the center. So now what you see at my back, that is the palace where the king lived, and this is all the darbar where all the citizens used to live, and this is also a living palace till now. So people live here, Abibi, and there's one temple also here that is way too pretty. I'll just show you. And now we are about to leave from here, but this place was worth spending money on. You can see all the heritage things and everything here. Okay, so this is dahi, which is really famous. So let me taste and tell you. This dahi is quite heavy. I didn't like it much, more like a malai, so you can have it if you want to. ये क्या चीज़ बना रहे हो आप? वो कैसे बनता है? दाल का.
अंडा ही है और कुछ.
So this is more like an omelette chila. So let me taste and tell you how it is. It's really hot. Tissue लेना बेटा.
It is famous, world famous.
It's spicy. The sauce is really spicy and it's quite tasty. If you're here, do try it out. Thumbs up from my side. So the entry we paid for here was so worth it, and now we are leaving and we are going back to hotel, and let's see after a short break where do we head. We came to hotel and now we guys changed, and now we all ladies are headed towards the Darbar market, which is outside our hotel, and we are going to have momos there and also do some shopping. Mummy hai to wo karayenge. Okay, bye. So we have got some steamed momos, some thukka, and some fried chili momos. There's so pretty flower market here. So we are at the shop here having ice cream. I'm having my chocolate ice cream. Mommy is having.
Hello.
What's your favorite kharo? Hanji, what's your favorite kharo? Pista flip. So basically the bar market was a road which had some nice shops to shop and to have good food and everything. They even had KFC, Pizza Hut, Baskin Robbins, but I prefer to have some local cuisine. So we went to some restaurant which was local here and we had some amazing momos and thukka and it was quite good. I really liked the place. And now it's around 8:30. We came back to our hotel and now there's nothing much to do, so we're gonna sleep now. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So I woke up and just showered and wore my clothes. Not yet ready because breakfast ka time ho jayega. Meri har baar ki kahani. So I'm gonna go have breakfast now and see you guys then. So this is what I'm having for my breakfast. These are sauteed vegetables, these are fried potatoes and carrots, sauteed mushrooms, smoked chicken, boiled anda and some pan fried noodles and some chicken sausages. I can eat this whole day. This is my after breakfast, some coffee, some pancakes, some waffles, some bread with Nutella and some bread with peanut butter. Now I am all ready and dressed up and about to go because we are going to 2-3 nice temples here. Some of them are Buddhist temples, some of them are Hindu temples. So I'm gonna take you there, but in my next vlog because I think otherwise it will be too long. So wait for next Friday for the next vlog. Till then, keep showering love. Do subscribe to my channel and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye and see you next Friday.